Super! We are born the best! Yes! Once again, welcome back to Fresh Talk. Heuwangberam, the both boys and girls football team, they win the last tournament, so they are going to have a small party. So, and thank you so much for inviting me as a guest. So I will be there with them. Only want to play. Oh, rain, go away. Heuwangberam FC wanna play. Wow! Please like and subscribe. Finally, we have reached mahur. Drummer. So, kami na kami mililiver. Abi milito di sungai ko. Wow, what a beautiful evening! Yeah! Siya po di ko pa kaya sorry. Oh sorry. What a black day. What a black day. Guys. हाय रे हाय, आधा रास्ता तक गाड़ी खराब हो चुका है, क्या करूँ? जा पाएगा नहीं, देखते हूँ। फिर चेकअप करके जाना पड़ेगा, हॉस्पिटल ले जाना पड़ेगा। गाड़ी को कुछ हो गया। So we are marketing for picnic. PS, आलू, tomato, etc. Finally, we have reached the right location. So, from here, we are going to enjoy. So, be with us. We are constructing a small house. Because of the rain, it disturbs us a lot. So, this is the nice place for picnic. We can even swim here in this spot. And the water too, it looks very fresh. आप वहाँ पे जाने के लिए मिनरल वाटर और वेल वाटर इज नॉट नेसेसरी. आप इसे देखिए वहाँ से पानी ले भी जा सकता है और ये जगह पे आप स्विमिंग करने भी मिलेंगे, तो विजिट कर लीजिए आप भी. चलो गो भाई. Nó sẽ làm bố lúa đấy để mày làm cái. Sẽ làm bố lúa đấy. Có biết bố bán siêu nào. Bạn ơi, đi cùng ta là không nè. Này nó chỉ máy vào đó.
你啊，不离倒马个这个嘛这个。
这倒这是。
हेलो, ये पकाने के लिए मैं बम्बू लेना जा रहा है. I don't know whether I will find or not. लेकिन मिल के आना तो पड़ेगा. 6 बम्बू. Actually, it was cut before, but I'm going to take it away. By this, we are going to cook it. वो bamboo से हम लोग सब्जी पकाएंगे and cooking by this bamboo. The taste of the curry is much different. It's more awesome and it's more tasty. I brought this one to cook. But walking alone in the jungle is a bit scary one. लेकिन दोस्त को satisfaction करने के लिए मैं ये लेके आएंगे. I know they will be surely happy with me. So Junior Korea rồi. Okay, some may not know how to cook by this bamboo. So after mixing everything like chili, salt, masala and all, after that you need to keep it inside the bamboo. And then we need to block and we need to just cover it by the banana leaf and then we need to keep in the fire. So finally we have finished cooking. So अभी खाने के लिए ready हो चुका है. सब के banana leaf पे ready करके खाना खाएंगे. Though it is the same curry in our own home, it's more better having in the jungle. Hey yo, some are busy in eating and some are busy in serving. I don't know, the server may not get to help or not. Enjoy a whole day and then right now we're going to move back